Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for smart home automation, flagship robot vacuum reviews, automated floor care breakdowns, and smart cleaning technology teardowns. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a high-performance cleaning powerhouse, the Dreame L60 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop in matte black. For homeowners, pet parents, and busy families, keeping floors clean usually meant compromising between weak vacuum suction or maintenance-heavy robot mops. The Dreame L60 Pro Ultra eliminates those trade-offs by pairing a massive suction engine with an automated self-cleaning dock. At the core of its cleaning capability is an industry-leading 35,000 pascals of Vormax suction power. Whether extracting fine dust from deep carpet fibers or pulling heavy debris out of tile grout lines, this motor delivers incredible raw suction performance across all floor types. Hair tangles are a constant issue for traditional robot vacuums. The L60 Pro Ultra addresses this with Dreame's Tricut Anti-Tangle roller brush system. Internal microblades actively cut long hair and pet fur into small fragments, passing them cleanly into the dustbin without wrapping around the brush ends. Mopping coverage is boosted by MopExtend RoboSwing technology. As the robot navigates along room perimeters, its dual high-speed spinning mop pads automatically extend outward to clean flush against baseboards, furniture legs, and corners, leaving zero dead zones behind. Navigation is driven by the Pathfinder smart LiDAR system paired with AI-powered obstacle avoidance. The robot builds precise multi-floor 3D maps, detects floor clutter like shoes or pet bowls, and creates efficient cleaning routes even in pitch-black conditions. Maintenance is completely hands-free thanks to the multifunctional auto-empty dock. Once docking occurs, the station automatically empties the dustbin, refilling fresh water, and washing the mop pads in 75 degrees Celsius hot water to dissolve grease and kill bacteria. Finally, it dries the pads with heated air to prevent mold and unpleasant odors. Featuring 35,000 pascals of suction power, Tricut Anti-Tangle brush technology, MopExtend corner wiping, Pathfinder AI obstacle avoidance, and a hot water self-cleaning dock, the Dreame L60 Pro Ultra delivers an elite automated cleaning experience. If you enjoyed this Dreame L60 Pro Ultra review and hardware breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Would 35,000 pascals of suction keep your home's carpet spotless?